Now I'd like to talk about the DosaCart. This is our larger cart. This cart comes with a 15-gallon stock tank, and it's opaque so that when you want to see how much solution you still have left to inject, it's easy to tell. On this 15-gallon cart, you can put an 11-gallon Dosatron, 14, 20, and a 40. So especially for larger growers who would like to use this to pull it up and inject a fungicide as a drench, let's say into hanging basket lines, it's a perfect way to do it. It comes with a crash bar so that if it falls over, it protects your Dosatron. And again, this has three different components. You have the 15-gallon cart, all plastic construction, has a clean out at the bottom, so it makes it simple to flush. You have a plumbing kit, which consists of, again, the plumbing, 200 mesh filter, check valve, and more plumbing. And the third part would be the Dosatron. Again, they can put on an 11, 14, 20, and a 40 gallon a minute.